Hi, here at Don Amott's we have this beautiful 2019 Bailey Panther 640. It's an island bed layout. It's got the Elco chassis. So if we come around this side, obviously the water fill point, gas bottle, and it's got the Truma blow air heating, so you got your vent there for your boiler, and it also comes with an Elco motor mover. Toilet flush and emptying point. We'll move our way around the back. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. So extras on this side, which makes it a really good buy. You've got alloy wheels. It's also got a barbecue point and an outside 240 socket. So everything you could want in your awning. Here we've got under locker storage. Oh, and your electric point is at that point. So we'll go inside and have a look at this beautiful van. So at the front we've got a nice large lounge that makes up into a double bed. Speakers for the radio, really nice big windows letting lots of light in. As you can see, underneath there's actually an alarm fitted to the vehicle as well. And it's got nice big over lounge storage and a really nice extension to the kitchen here. So the kitchen has got lots of workspace. So if we have a look at the cooker, we've actually got 3 gas burners and an electric burner, which is great. Lots of cupboard space again, and we've got a separate grill and oven. And on the other side we've got a microwave and your 3-way fridge, which is a nice size fridge, Wendy can see in there, and a nice big worktop on that side as well. So this is a lovely van with your central bathroom. So if we make our way through, we'll let Wendy come through and she can shut the door. So we've got a really nice big shower there, and your toilet and sink on the other side. So plenty of space. And if you do have guests, you have actually got a door here as well. Let me just open the clips and I can show you. So you can shut the bathroom off and use it for the people at the front as well, so they can come in and not disturb you in the night. So if we make our way into the bedroom, we've got a really nice big bed here, nice island bed. Flip that over. So, and you can get round, there is room to get round the bed, and we've got 2 good sized wardrobes, cupboards across the top of the bed there, and it's a really nice light and airy room with the windows either side. So come along to Don Amott's and have a look at this beautiful Bailey Panther 640.